Hello everybody, it's me, Zombie Killer for you, and this is gonna go in my second channel, ZomCo, and this is my first video in ZomCo. It's pretty much gonna be a channel, well, pretty much what I will do, or a couple of my other friends will put stuff on ZomCo, and it's just pretty much another channel for me to post stuff because I don't want my original channel to be all messed up with all this different stuff on it. So now I'm creating a second channel so I can do other stuff I want to do, have my main channel for video games, vlogs, and all that stuff. So this is going to be a whole different channel, and my channel is going to be in the description below, my main one. And this one, well, in this first video of ZomCo, I am going to be doing a little experiment, really, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out because I've never practiced this. But it's not big because this is the first video. And I'm still in this little tiny ass apartment. But the first one is going to be about Pop Rocks. Oh my god! Pop Rocks! Ah! Ah! Pop Rocks! I know you're thinking, Pop Rocks, that's just candy. What are you doing? Yes, I know it's Pop Rocks. But I've never seen Pop Rocks pop that's not in my mouth. I kissed a girl for Pop Rocks, yeah, felt great and everything. But I haven't seen it pop before. So that's what this experiment is. We're going to see why it pops, how it pops. I have 3 different colors. Oh god, I done messed up the colors. I got 3 different colors to see which ones will look better and all this other stuff. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you the first way we're going to look at these. Okay? Okay, now I know this looks green, but I used the blue packet. I already threw the blue packet away, but as you see here, I still have the green ones. Okay, so this is what Pop Rocks look like. At least the blue kind. It looks like little tiny rocks and all that stuff. The way they make it, hold on, let me tell you the ingredients first of this little particular candy. It is carbonated candy, meaning it is carbonated by using different ingredients and chemicals and other whatnots. So is any other thing, so pretty much all candy is carbonated if you actually think about it. Then again, it's just carbon dioxide, and most candies do require that. So there's actually 3 ingredients into Pop Rocks, which I thought it was really strange because it's Pop Rocks. It's sugar, lactose, and flavoring. And that's it. It's sugar, lactose, and flavoring. Those are the only 3 ingredients, and the flavoring you don't really taste. I mean, like, there's like a somewhat taste in it, but you don't really taste it. And this candy is technically a hard candy, and what it does is it dissolves in your mouth. Okay, for the first little experiment, we have the full packet. Yes, this is the full packet, and I should buy some gloves. Next time I go to a store, I'm going to buy some gloves. Okay, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of water, and then we're going to see it dissolves. Actually, I should get something to make it go like that. Actually, make it a little bit higher. Yeah, that's what I'm probably going to do. Then I'm going to add some water in it, and then we're going to see how this is going to go. Okay, so I did find a stand to put it on, and I got some water. So we're gonna see how it's gonna go. Ooh! I think it works faster with saliva, but look at it go. Okay, so while this is popping, I'm going to tell you how they actually make the candy. First of all, they mix all the ingredients together, of course, and then they heat it up into a syrup-like substance. Once they got it to fully syrupness of what they wanted, they expose it to carbon dioxide under a certain amount of pressure. And then once they get it pressured enough to where it is fully pressurized to what they want. I know, right? English, yay. They cool it off, and then when it cools off, it makes air bubbles in the candy. And once the hardened syrup candy touches the water, it will dissolve. Thus, the air bubbles will pop. That's what's making the noise. It is loud. It is loud. So all this is syrup or air bubbles. Pretty much. It's just sugar, lactose, flavoring, hardened up with air bubbles. It is still going. Yeah, I need to make sure I get some gloves next time I come in. Okay, you know what? Let's stir this up a little bit and see. You know what? I'm going to use a knife. It is still going. Damn. That looks cool. Like, that looks cool. I may make this as a thumbnail. But, oh, that was a big pop on that one. Are they sticking to a side? No. Okay. It is still going. Wow, I should put a timer on this shit. Okay, so I am going to get rid of this one because it seems like it is now bubbling down. Or I can just let it go and see what it's like when it's finished sizzling. You know what? I might do that. See what it's like when it's when it is finished sizzling. The candy has dissolved more. I did shake it up a little bit, but all it done was make it turn green. But actually, let me get the pack. Give me a second. I had the trash can right here. I was using the blue. Does that look blue to you? No, because I used the blue pack. That is green. Wow, thank you, Pop Rocks, for not knowing what the difference between blue and green is. You know, there's still stuff in there. The more Pop Rocks that's dissolved into the water and all that stuff, the longer it takes for the other ones to dissolve in. I'm guessing because it has sugar in it. Making it's harder for the water to actually dissolve it when more and more concentrated with sugar. Okay, that makes enough sense to me. Okay, so let's go to another packet and try it a different way to see how the results is going to be different. Okay. Okay, so now I have gotten rid of the other Pop Rocks inside of it. I've washed it out. So now let's see what happens if I already have water. See, I'm touching it. You see the water? Okay. Water, and now we're going to add the Pop Rocks in it to see which one, to see what's better. Last time we had the Pop Rocks first and then put in one. In this case, we have water, then we're going to put in the Pop Rocks. I actually like this one slightly bit better. As you see, it's green. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Whoop. We have mistakes here. And I missed the trash can. Yay, great job. Okay, wow, look at this thing go. I think I liked it better like this. Have the water in first. Can y'all hear it? I hope y'all can hear it. Okay, so as we're gonna see this popping and guzzling, sizzling at least. Back in the wow, I can't remember what year, 70s or 80s. There was a commercial about a kid who drunk a 6-pack of Coke and 6 packets of Pop Rocks, and they say that his stomach exploded due to the gas chemicals, and both of them combined make him explode. Kind of like how Mentos and Coke is. But in this case, that is false. That is just propaganda. That wasn't real. That's not real. You cannot die. It may hurt a little bit, but you will not die. You will feel a lot of sizzling in your stomach. Actually, I don't see how... Well, okay. I was gonna say, I don't see how you can feel your Pop Rocks in there, but then I remembered that, oh, I ate the whole package. I ate it like a little plastic bag full of Pop Rocks in it, and I forgot to take the bag out. And it didn't pop until a couple seconds later, and then, yeah, felt it. But that is false, and also, in the description below, I'm going to have a link going to Mythbusters about them talking about, pretty much just talking about why and how that is false. They use a pig's bladder, and that's even more proof to show you that that myth is busted. It does not work. It doesn't do any of that. Okay, I believe now it's kind of similar to the other one. I just love how it says green, but it's clearly red. False advertisement, and you know what? Let me stir this bad boy up. Wow, I'm just moving this entire thing, ain't I? And also, if you switch it around like I just did, you can hear it solving faster. Okay, well, I got one more thing to do, and I don't know how well this is going to work out, because I just needed something to do with the third packet, and it's the red packet, strawberry packet. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and do this other thing so I can end the video right here. Oh shit. Yay! Pop Rocks! Yes! Yes! Hello, and as you see, this plate has a little bit of water in it. And as you can tell by looking at the water, but where I am is not leveled because it's mostly leaning that way. That is also one way to see if this place is leveled or not. But we're going to put a little bit of Pop Rocks at a time to see what happens. And mostly due to because I have an extra packet and I don't eat sugar, so we might as well just do this for fun. Is it doing anything yet? You can see it a little bit. Okay, so let me spread it out a little bit. It is very loud. As you can see, all the little rocks is going to the side of the water. Okay, so it's still sizzling a little bit. Let's add a little bit more over here. Well, that's a big chunk. Oh, shit. You fuck it, why not? Why not? I already have it out. Why not? And that is it, and it is loud. Yeah, just let me move the water a little bit more. Okay, so now I pretty much get it all spread out. Okay. Okay, this is not my camera. I just now noticed it. If you look very carefully, you can see the bubbles. I have all my lighting hooked up. I need to buy a lamp as well. Come on. Come on. Stop being blurry, damn it. There we go. And I got blur again. There it goes. If you look very carefully, you can see little bubbles popping out. If you look on the top of the water, little white spots, those are bubbles. You couldn't see it before due to the plastic, but since I got it on this plate, we can see it a whole lot more. And yes, this is bubbles. Oh, there was a big pop over there. So this is what's happening in your mouth. Put the candy in there and it has little tiny bubbles, but it's dissolving and it just pops. And then it has carbon dioxide bubbles in it. So when you put this in your mouth, you have carbon dioxide air bubbles popping in your mouth. Yay, what fun is it? What fun is that? Okay, well this is the end of the video because we all know how Pop Rocks is gonna turn out. But I like how I've done with this water. Like, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that looks cool as hell. I believe I went over anything. Pop Rock Explosion Falls, battery, ingredients, and what it does, yeah. I said everything I wrote down, and this is the life experiment with the Pop Rocks for right now, really. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. I am ZomCo for you, and this is the channel ZomCo, and like I said, I may have other people come in ZomCo as well, do science experiments, blow stuff up, or do other stuff. So, thank you for watching. This is ZomCo, and I do not have a, I actually don't have a slogan for ZomCo yet. Make your dreams be dreams. Nah, Shiloh, your buff already has that. Huh. Well, thank you for watching, and this is ZomCo.